What's up, guys? Matt Moore here with Easy Dent. As many of you know, we have a brand new shop at 4015 Atlanta Highway here in Athens. Wanted to give you a quick shop tour, so come check it out. What's up, Taylor?
Hey, how's it going?
What do you do here?
I make it easy for you. So I come out, greet you. We go check out the damage on the vehicle. Give you we schedule headlight restoration, dent repair, wheel repair, as well as window tinting.
So this is Mark. Mark, introduce yourself.
R&I stuff, buffing, wet sanding, anything that needs to be done. Run cars back and forth between dealerships, body shop. Finishing up this job and then we'll send it out.
All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. We're at 4015 Atlanta Highway. Would love to have you come by, take the tour yourself. Check out what we've got. Got some awesome cars in here today. We're doing some window tint and some dent removal, some wheel repair, knocking it all out. Anyway, come by.